Hey, this is Chantel WTI. We have had our snake Indy for a few years now, and I have tried several different beddings for him, but it seems to me that he likes this Aspen the best. We had never had a pet snake before, but when my friend told me she needed to rehome this cutie, we couldn't resist. When we first got him, my friend gave me the Aspen bedding, and so I continued to buy it until I ran out one day and went to our local pet store and couldn't find any. So I tried something else, and I could tell he was not happy with me. I live in a small town, so it was hard to find this bedding, so I decided to check Amazon, and I'm so happy I'm able to have it delivered. It's really soft bedding and absorbs things really well. I will say it is dusty, so try not to breathe while filling up the tank. Andy loves burrowing through this bedding, and it's so cute seeing his little head pop out. I highly recommend this bedding by ZooMed for any of your precious pets. I mean, it's the #1 preferred snake bedding for a reason, but that's just my point of view.